Stay Grubio Namaga children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see 7th standard matriculation maths. The topic is properties of triangles. Okay. See the first question. Find the length of the hypotenuse in triangles with the given sides. Okay. Here sides of a triangle is given. We need to find out the length of the hypotenuse. For finding the length of the hypotenuse, we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So what is Pythagoras theorem, children? Can anyone say the statement? The square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. It is only applicable in a right angle triangle. Okay. In right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay. So take the right angle triangle. So opposite to 90 degrees, call it as hypotenuse. Okay. So I am naming it A, B, C. Here 3 centimeter, then 4 centimeter. You can take it as AB as 3 centimeter and BC as 4 centimeters also will acceptable. Okay. So here two sides are 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. We need to find out the length of the hypotenuse. Okay. What is the naming? AC. Okay. AC length we are going to find. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is AC. So AC square equal to square of the sum of the other two sides. So AB square plus BC square. Okay. Here AB equal to 4. 4 square plus BC 3. So 3 square. 4 square what you will get, children? 4 square 16. Plus 3 square 9. Okay. So AC square equal to 16 plus 9, what you will get, children? 25. So AC equal to, the square will change square root. So square root of 25. So what you will get, children? Square root of 25 equal to 5. 5 centimeter. Okay. So the hypotenuse equal to 5 centimeter. Is it clear, children? See the next one. Here 8 centimeter and 15 centimeter is given. Take the right triangle A, B, C. Okay. So we are going to find the length of AC. Here one is 8 centimeter. Another side is 15 centimeter. Okay. Use the Pythagoras theorem here. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Substitute the value here. AB 15 centimeter. So 15 square plus BC 8 centimeter. 8 square. So 15 square what you will get, children? 15 into 15 225 plus 8 square 64. When we add this, what you will get, children? 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 6, 8, 2. So 289. AC square equal to 289. But we need to find out the AC only. Okay. So AC equal to square root of 289. Okay. How can we split this? Root of 17 into 17, what you will get, children? 289. Okay. So AC equal to 17 centimeter. So AC is represent length of the hypotenuse. Length of the hypotenuse equal to 17 centimeter. Is it clear? The next one. Verify if the following are the sides of a right triangle. Okay, if it is a right triangle, we need to find out the hypotenuse. Okay, so right triangle, all the sides are given here. Okay, the hypotenuse is the longest side of a triangle. So here, which is the longest side? 12. So that you have to write here 12 centimeter, then 10 centimeter, 8 centimeter. All the sides are given in a triangle. So we need to check is it a right triangle or not. Okay, so for checking this, we are going to use the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse, so AC square equal to sum of the square of the other two sides. So AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Okay, here AC value 12. 12 square equal to AB square 10 square plus BC 8 square. So 12 square, what you will get, children? When we square this, what you will get? 144. 144 equal to, here 10 square 100 plus 8 square 64. So when we add this, what you will get, children? In left hand side we have 144. The right hand side 100 plus 64 you will get 164. Now you compare this. Both the sides are equal? No, doesn't equal. Okay. So therefore, the given sides of a triangle do not satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, it is not a right triangle. It does not form a right triangle. Is it clear, children? I repeat this. See here, the square of the hypotenuse 12 square equal to 10 square plus 8 square. When we square this, what we are getting? 144 equal to 10 square 100 plus 8 square 64. 164. Now we compare the sides. Both the sides are not equal. So the given side is not a right triangle. It does not satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So the given side is not form a right triangle. Is it clear, children? Suppose if it is right, equal means you can say that it forms the right triangle. Then you can say the hypotenuse. You know that the longest side is the hypotenuse. So you can say that 12 is the answer. But here is not equal. So it is not form a right triangle. Okay, children? Next one. If C is the hypotenuse, C is the hypotenuse of a right triangle of sides A, B and C. Okay. In triangle we have three sides. That sides represent A, B, C. In this C is given hypotenuse. So find the third side. We are going to find the third side. Okay. Listen here. B equal to 12 centimeter and C equal to 13 centimeter. First you take the right triangle. Okay, A, B, C. Okay, here C 13 centimeter and A we are going to find and B value 12 centimeter. Here we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So here hypotenuse C square. C square equal to A square plus B square. Okay, you substitute the value here. Okay, C value 13, 13 square equal to A, we are going to find. So let's have it, A square plus B value 12 centimeter, 12 square. Okay, is it clear children? Just I substituted the values. C value 13 and A we are going to find, just keep it as it is, and B value 12, so 12 square. Okay, now you square this. Square of 13 you will get 169 equal to A square plus 12 square. What you will get children? 12 square? 144. Okay, so we need to find out the A. This alone just keep it here. This number you draw in from this side. Okay, so 169. The additions will change other side, subtraction. So minus 144 equal to A square. Okay, now you subtract this. 9 minus 4, 5, 6 minus 4, 2, 1 minus 1, 0. So 25 equal to A square. But we need to find the A value. Okay, so A equal to, the square will change, square root of 25. The square root of 25, what you will get children? 5. Okay, so A equal to 5 centimeter. So the third side is 5 centimeter. So this value is 5 centimeter. Therefore, the third side is 5 centimeter. Is it clear children? To the next one. A equal to 8 centimeter, B equal to 6 centimeter. Take the right triangle. A, B, C. A value 8 centimeter, B value 6 centimeter, and C we are going to find, because C they represent hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is the longest side of the right triangle. So here the longest side is C only. Okay children? It's a right triangle, so you have to mention this. Okay. Now using the Pythagoras theorem here, by Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse. So C square equal to A square plus B square. So C square we are going to find, just keep it as it is, and A value 8. So 8 square plus B value 6. Okay, 6 square. What I did here children, just I substituted the values here. Okay. Now C square equal to 8 square. What you will get children? When we square this, what you will get? 64 plus, here 6 square, you get 36. Okay. So C square equal to 64 plus 36. When we add this, what you will get? 100. Okay. Now we need to find the C value. So the square will change square root. What it will change children? Square root. Okay? Square root of 100. Then how can you split this children? 100, 10 tens are 100. Okay. So C equal to 10 centimeter. What is C children? The hypotenuse value. Okay. Is it clear? Next one. If the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 25 centimeter, hypotenuse values is given, and one of the other two sides is 24 centimeter. Okay. So find the third side. And what is the perimeter of the triangle? Okay. So right triangle. Okay. The hypotenuse is 25 centimeter and one of the side is 24 centimeter. We need to find out the other side. Okay. Just naming it A, B, C. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem. The square of hypotenuse. It means AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. What is it, children? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So the other two sides are AB and BC. So that I written AB square plus BC square. Okay. Next I am going to substitute the value. Here AC value 25. 25 square equal to AB square. AB square 24 square plus BC square. Okay, children. Now square this number. You know very well. 25 square is 625 equal to 24 square. 24 square 576 plus BC square. Okay. So we are going to find the side of the BC. Okay. That alone you keep it there. So 625. The plus 576 will change minus. So minus 576 equal to BC square. Okay. Now you subtract this, children. When we subtract this, what we will get? Here 5 minus 6 we can't subtract. So borrow it. 15 minus 6 you will get 9. And here 1 should be there. And get it one number from this. Okay. So 100 place it. So what you will get? 11. 11 minus 7. 4. So 49 equal to BC square. So what do you want to find? BC. So the square will change square root. Okay. So square root of 49. So square root of 49. How can you split this, children? Root of 7 into 7 equal to BC. Okay. So BC equal to 7 centimeter. So BC is represent the third side. So the third side is 7 centimeter. Okay. And next what do you want to find, children? First we found the third side using the Pythagoras theorem. I repeat this till this. Okay. So just I substituted the values. 25 square equal to 24 square plus BC square, and while squaring this what you are getting? 625, and square this what you are getting? 576 plus BC square. Okay. Then 625 minus 576 equal to BC square. When we subtract this what you are getting? 49 equal to BC square. But we want to know the BC value. So BC equal to, the square will change square root of 49. So what you are getting? 7 centimeter. Next we need to find out the perimeter. So what is perimeter, children? The distance around the closed figure. The distance around the closed figure is called it as perimeter. So finding the perimeters, we need to add all the sides value. Here how many sides are there, children? 3 sides are there. Just you add it AB plus BC plus AC. Okay. So perimeter equal to sum of all sides. All sides of a triangle. Now we write it AB plus BC plus AC. Okay. Substitute here AB value 24 plus BC 7 centimeter plus AC 25 centimeter. Now you add it. First add the ones digit. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 4 16. 6 remaining 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 2 5. 56 centimeter. So perimeter of a triangle equal to 56 centimeter. Is it clear, children? Next one, the foot of a ladder rests at a distance of 36 meter from your wall. Okay, and the top of the ladder rest on the wall at a height of 15 meter from the ground. Okay, so find the length of the ladder. Okay, see here, this is the ladder and this is the wall. Okay, so this distance is given. The ladder rests at a distance of 36 meter from your wall. Okay, so this is the ladder and wall, this is the wall, and this distance is 36 meter. Okay, then height. So height of 15 meter from the ground. So this is 15 meter. So we need to find out the length of the ladder. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. So just naming it A, B, C. Here we need to find out the length of AC. Length of AC is represent length of the ladder. Okay, what we are going to use here? Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so by Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem, children? In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Okay, see here, so AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, let's find out here AC value we are going to find. So AC square equal to AB 15 meter, so 15 square plus BC 36 meter, 36 square. Okay, AC square equal to 15 square, you know that 225. So 225 plus 36 square. Just find out 36 square means 36 into 36. Okay, so subtract this. 6 6 are 36, 6 remaining 3, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 3 21, then 3 6 are 18, 8 remaining 1, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 1 10, 6 9 2 1. So 1296. Okay, now you add this 6 plus 5 11, 1 remaining 1. Okay, and 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 2 12, 2 remaining 1, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, then 1. So what we are getting? AC square equal to 1521. Next, what do you want to find? AC. So AC equal to, the square will change, square root. So square root of 1521. Okay, so we need to find out the square root. Okay, long division method I will teach you here. I already taught this. Okay, here every 2 digit once you put the comma. Okay, from the last you have to put the commas. Then whatever you are writing here, the same number you have to write in the quotient place. Okay, so here 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. 16 is greater than the 15. So you have to choose the before number 3. 3 3s are 9. Now subtract this. 15 minus 9. What you will get? 6. Take the next 2 digit. 21. Okay. After this, just you multiply the quotient with 2. Okay. So 3 2s are 6. Here the number ending with 1. So you can guess either 1 or 9. Okay, if you substitute 1 here, 61 only you will get. So you will not get this value. So you substitute 9. 9 9s are 81, 1 remaining 8, 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 8, 62. I repeat this. First you write the number, then from the last every 2 digit once you put the comma. Then after first 15 is there, in the 15 whatever numbers you are writing, the same number you want to write it. So you check 2 2s are, 3 3s are, 4 4s are, 5 5s are, like that. When we multiply 4 4s are, we will get 16. That is greater than this number. So you have to choose before the number. So 3 3s are 9. Okay. Then you subtracted what you are getting 6. Then take the next two digit. Now 621. See the unit digit. 1 is there. So either you can substitute 1 or 9. Because when we multiply that number, we will get 1 in the unit digit. So that we are choosing that. Okay. So 1 if you substitute, you can't get it. So I am substituting 9 here. Okay. So 9 9s are 81. 1 remaining 8. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8, 62. When we subtract this, what you are getting? 0. Okay. Now what is the answer? The square root of 1521 is 39. So AC equal to 39 meter. The AC is represent length of the ladder. Okay. Therefore, the length of the ladder is 39 meter. Is it clear, children? To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.